don't think about your mistakes. So just I'm asking you, how the Joes? How the Joes? How the Joes? Are you ready to speak English? Yes, sir. Everyone? Yes, sir. Say yes if you are ready. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Really? Yes, sir. So let's start the session. Our today's topic that we are going to discuss is, what do you think? Which is better to do? Smart work or hard work? Smart work and hard work. Which is better to do? Now first let me explain you the difference between hard work and smart work. Smart work is the work which is done with some tricks, some techniques, right? And the hard work, you understand, we apply a long process. Here we have to talk about the pros and cons, merits and demerits of smart work and hard works. From the all angle you have to speak, everyone. And one more thing I would say, one more time I would say, that do not think about your mistakes. Speak freely. So everyone, are you ready? Yes, sir. Say yes if you are ready. Yes, sir. Are you ready? Yes, sir. So let's start the session from Ankit. What do you think, Ankit? Which is better to do?
Sir, according to me, smart work is better than hard work because hard work take a long time, and if we are doing smart work, so firstly we can use our technique, our mind. So I think, sir, hard work, smart work is good. Or smart work, we can save our time. We can save our time, as well as we can make our we can sharp our we can make brain our sharp.
We can make your brain sharp. Yes. Okay, now he thinks that smart work is better to do. Let's know her opinion. What do you think?
According to me, smart work is better than hard work because we can save our time. Yeah. And we smart work increase our mentality, and
smart work makes us smart.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Let's know her opinion. What she thinks. Yes.
According to my opinion, both are very important because the smart work and hard work together make a genius. Yes. We can't go with a single work because as a student we have to do all.
We have to do all. Now, I want to say my viewers that these students are from Hindi medium. I think no students is here who is from English medium. All are from Hindi medium, only one. Right? So we are from Hindi medium and we are speaking and we are discussing. So this is really very, very great achievement. So you think smart work and hard work both are essential. But if we have to compare between these two, then which is better to do? What do you think?
Now in the ultra modern era, smart work is better to do because hard working is a long process and yes, it takes time. And
it takes time. Yes, that's very good. What do you think?
According to me, we will have to smart work. So we will have to hard work because I think hard work generate the smart work. So we are taking the example. Suppose that any quant examination is a short trick. So that short trick is a smart work. But in smart work, we will have to more practice this short trick. So this is in smart work also include the hard work. I think so.
Smart work also includes hard work because to generate any trick, to invent any trick, it requires hard work. Yes, that's good. What do you think, Trusty?
Sir, I think hard work is better than smart work because hard work keeps us fit. And if we are depend on only smart work, so we started find shortcuts only. And suppose example of farmer, he always doing hard work in farms. So that's why we can gain fruits, vegetables and grain. So hard work is better. And like in examination, so we must have knowledge, and we all students are doing hard work for crack the examination. So, and I think smart work, sometimes it is good, but hard work is always better.
Hard work is always better. Okay, that's good. What do you think, brother?
Sir, I think that smart work is so good than hard work. Yeah. As we know, if somebody is a busy man, like a businessman or jobless man, he thinks that I need a job having man. He need more and more time. Yeah. To do his job, and he give more and more time to his job. Yes. As well as he want to do a smart work, that to save his time. He want to go to out to buy anything, so he will buy it online. as we know, online buying is also called a smart work.
Okay. He thinks that smart work is better to do. Yes, what do you think?
So as I think that the smart work is better than the hard work, because nowadays this generation is to do the only smart work.
Yes.
Because if we will not do the smart work, so our mentality that is started to be low. And nowadays we want that we should have the smart work. Up to when we will not do the smart work, so our mind that will not be work too much as that we should be. So according to me, that the smart work is better than the hard work.
Smart work is better than hard work, he thinks. Let's know his opinion. What do you think?
According to me, hard work is better than smart work.
Okay.
Because when you does hard work with your intelligence and your sharp mindset, that's called smart work. So according to me, smart work is nothing without hard work. If you wanna get success, so you must have a hard work with smart work. So that's why my opinion is both are important, but if you doesn't have a hard work, so you can't get a success.
Exactly. Now he's saying that in order to have success, one need to do hard work along with smart work. That's good point. What do you think, brother?
Sir, in my opinion, hard work and smart work both are important, because if you want to do business, so firstly you will have to do hard work, and after hard work you can increase your business day by day by smart work.
Now tell me, you said that to do business, hard work is required. Is it right? To do business, my questions to you, Tawfiq. To do hard work, to do business, hard work is required. What do you think?
Yes, sir. According, you are right. If we are doing any business, so first of all, we have to require some information. So for gathering that type of information, we have to do hard work.
Okay, but don't you think with the help of smart work we can grow our business? In order to grow our business, hard work is not required, not smart work is required.
Yeah.
The kind of technique.
If we are starting any business, so first of all we require hard work. So and if we are growing our business and we are operating some business, so at that time we have required a smart work, because we have to understand what is the requirement of the people smartly.
Okay. Chali, that's good. Now my questions to you. Yes, Aman.
Sir, I think hard work is better than smart work. So hard work is based on person's body, and smart work is a person's mentality.
Yeah.
So I think is smart work
Is better than hard work. Okay, and what do you prefer? What do you prefer to do? Hard work or smart work? You prefer smart work. Okay, now you have to pass exam, and you are having you don't know anything what the things are coming in the exams. So obviously, what you are going to do? Smart work.
Smart work.
And in smart work, the cheating comes. Would you like to would you like to do that things in the exam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He's saying yes.
No, sir. Smart work, cheating they are not allowed. So it is the smart work.
Through the smart work, you can pass actually. Yeah. Right? Yeah. What do you think, brother?
Sir, in my point of view, hard work is much important than smart work, because there are two ways to achieve something. Yes. First is hard work and second is smart work. Hard work is whenever we spend much time to anything, so we can learn many types of things. Yes. But in smart work, some people apply the smart work, so they are not able to achieve big something new, because this is a short trick is not good. Somehow we do hard work, and if you want to become a successful person, so there is a hard work is requirement.
Hard work is also required along with the smart work. That's very good. Now I would like to differentiate first again the difference between hard work and smart work. Hard work leads towards hard, means the long, lengthy process. I know it's a little bit monotonous, it's quite boring, but we have to do. But remember one thing, hard work makes us patient. Hard works, for the hard work we should have patience. We become patient when we do hard work. On the other hand, in smart work we apply some strategies, some techniques, and that techniques and strategies bring success. Yeah, what do you think? Which is better to do?
According me to sir, hard work important our life because sir, without hard work we cannot achieve our goal. And like example sir, and the foolish person.
Yeah.
Foolish person we can foolish person never can never ever anything
Yes.
gain anything because sir if they sit and wait for a better opportunity to come, but sir the person who's to working hard so sir to gain success and happiness in life.
Yeah. So you believe that hard work is better than smart work. What do you think, Sakshi?
I think, sir, both are important. Now I am a student, so I think for student hard work is more important. We are in college and a student. It is initial stage for every student, so they do hard work. And after that he become any successful person, yeah, and businessman. So he do smart work. They do smart work. So yes. So I think, sir, both are important for every person.
So you think both are important for every person. Now she thinks that both need to be managed. Yes. What do you think?
I think smart work and hard work both are important for us because of we need to that how to approach our task. For that I am a student and if I have to give any exam, so I have to do hard work with my own experience and my own knowledge. And if I have to get more numbers and scores in my examination, so I have to do smart work for that. And by the smart work we can do our every work in some times. And when we do hard work, so it takes more time for the same result. By the smart work we can get that same result in some time.
My questions to you: for doing business, what is required?
Sir,
Hard work or smart work?
Sir, I think first of all we need to hard work, and then it increase our mental ability, so we can do everything with our smart work.
Okay. That's good. Now, what do you think?
Sir, I think smart work is better than hard work. Suppose my class teacher has given the topic to me for prepare that, but I have no idea. I will have to think about that very much and more.
Yeah.
So at that time I can take a help of Google and I can search about that topic and I can write much and more and I can save my time.
Okay, so searching and getting ideas from the Google is a part of smart work, you think? Okay, that's good. Yeah, what do you think?
I think smart work and hard work both are important. Because we want to save our time, so we need to smart work. But through smart work we can become lazy. So sometime we need to hard work.
Sometimes we need to do hard work. Okay, that's good.
So both are important.
Both are important. Yes, what do you think?
I think smart work and hard work are important for us. Hard work to be physically fit and smart work to be mentally fit.
Yes,
Activity.
So what do you prefer? Hard work or smart work?
Hard work.
You prefer hard work. Chali, that's very good. Khushbu, what do you think?
I think both are important, but smart work is only copy type. Hard work is make successful person. If you want to be successful person, you need to hard work without hard work and without hard work is not successful. Be successful person and need to some motivation. I am telling some quote Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You have dream before your dream can come true.
Oh my God, what thought you have spoken? It was really nice. Yes, what do you think?
I think, sir, hard work is better than smart work. If you give the examination, so that time hard work is better. You got knowledge and experience.
We get knowledge and experience in hard work, you want to say. Okay, everyone, so is there anybody who's going to say anything special in the last? Yes. Yeah, coming to you.
Sir, I think that smart work is so much better than hard work.
Okay.
As we talk about mom, they have to do so many works in a day. So they want to buy any type of food or anything. So they will not go out. They save our time and buy it. And as we talk about
But
this,
don't you think that when we purchase something from the outside, when we order the food from the outside, it is not quite healthy, it's unhealthy. The food that we prepared at our home is quite healthy and good. Why people always say that eat the healthy food, eat the homemade food, don't eat the food, don't order the food from outside. Okay, what she's saying.
I would like to go with hard work because there is no gain without pain. First of all, just do hard work. Automatically, you will be smart.
Automatically you will be smart if you are doing hard worker. If you are doing a hard work, you will be smart. Okay, now what do you think? Yes. Yeah, Bhavesh is saying something.
Sir, hard work, smart work, both are important. Sir, sports and army field, hard work is more important.
Yeah.
But sir, technical field, smart work is important because how can we build this product? How can we purchase this product?
Okay, right. That's good. Yeah, what do you want to say?
In last, I want to say just only one thing: smart work plus hard work equal to achievement.
Okay. Chali, that's very good, everyone. Now the time is going to finish. Okay, so in the last, I'm going to conclude. Srishti, want to say something in the last? Yes.
Sir, I want to answer a question of you. You said a businessman who want to start a business. So firstly, he has to do hard work for getting customers. But when he started a business, so if there is a product which is cost 100 rupees, so he can put the price of 200 and he can say buy one get one free. So it is his smartness, and by smart work he can achieve more profit.
He can achieve more profit by doing a smart work. Means she's saying that for doing business in this competitive age, especially if you want to do business, you need to be smart, right? Only hard working, will not work over there. Smart work will also required. So everyone, I'm going to say you some lines in the end of the topic. Is that no doubt this is 21st century. The competition is on the peak, but without hard work, no one can achieve anything. And one more thing, hard work and smart work, we cannot deny the fact that only the hard working people are successful, right? We also need to do smart work. So hard work and smart work both go parallel. We cannot deny this fact. So this is the conclusion of the topic, everyone, and it was really nice discussion. We have done a very good discussion, everyone. So clapping, just clap for you always.